Staying on top of HVAC maintenance is essential for your home, and I'm going to give you 5 reasons why. Hi there, my name is Zach Dickey, Product Manager for Heat Pumps at Carrier. Let's dive in. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning coils, changing filters, and lubricating parts, helps your system run more efficiently, potentially reducing energy consumption and lowering heating and cooling bills. Routine inspections and tune-ups prevent wear and tear, reducing the risk of breakdowns and prolonging the life of your HVAC system. This can delay the need for costly repairs, and regular checkups help identify small issues before they become major problems. Addressing these minor repairs early on can save you from expensive, unexpected repairs down the road. HVAC systems filter the air in your home, which means maintenance tasks like cleaning or replacing filters and cleaning ducts and coils reduce dust, allergens, and pollutants, leading to better indoor air quality. A well-maintained system can consistently regulate temperature and humidity, ensuring even heating and cooling throughout your home without unexpected performance drops. Keeping up with HVAC maintenance helps protect your investment and keeps your home comfortable all year round. For expert service and advice, be sure to contact your local Carrier dealer. They're here to help you get the most from your HVAC system.